illuminate yourself, align with current affairs, have facts, and reasonable. Fellow Africans, fellow South Africans, and people at large, we are going to talk on this video about MKP removal of his chief whip. We have just heard that MKP political party has removed Miss Makubela as its chief whip. And we can remember some time back, the chief whip of MKP and the party leader, whom was Ntate John Hlophe, have made a media conference whereby they came and criticized categorically and straight away the behavior of Ndlamulo Ndlela and Duduzile Zuma during the caucus meetings. And at that time, it was announced that people like Ndlamulo Ndlela was removed from the team. And we heard Ndlamulo Ndlela later on come and make his statement in regard to that. But we could learn then and there that there was no good relationship between the two sides, of which we can say it was a Hlophe faction against Duduzile faction. Now, later on, the same Mema Kubele made harassment statements and accusations against Ntate Hlophe, of which later on led to Ntate Hlophe having been suspended, and later on we understood he had decided to resign against any other disciplinary matters or any other intentions of the party in regard to him. And since that statement that he made, we have since never seen or heard anything about him. And our take is that he is a closed chapter and he's gone. But that announcement, the MK political party still have to make. Now, one of the issues is that immediately after the chief whip Mema Kubele made an appearance of which we don't know exactly when was it, talking about praising Israel and saying she stand with Israel. Some of MKP parliamentary members felt that she had to step down because that was a position which compromises the political party MKP, where she is one of the senior leaders. And I have said in one of the content creators account, specifically politically incorrect, I said I foresee her struggling to cope with the statements that the behavior of Donald Trump forced everyone to make a statement now and then, and then most of the balance is pushing against Donald Trump, and then Donald Trump major friend is only Israel. Now, if she is in MKP and then she's going to give a position, don't forget, when we are in a chief whip, the spokesperson is part of the caucus team. And then you talk together, you prepare the party position together. Now you're going to be in conflict because the MKP do not want to be seat lady standing with Israel. They will rather maybe say, no, we want a neutral position. But she has already said, I stand with Israel. That makes and put MKP in a serious corner because she honestly acted immaturely into that. And then now, what is going to happen? You can see MKP has not even released a statement in regard to America and Venezuela. It is difficult because MKP has been supporting people like Morocco, and then MKP has congratulated Donald Trump. MKP has congratulated Donald Trump. Now look what is Donald Trump is doing. So I myself, in my opinion, I still expected her to be removed as a chief whip because it is going to be difficult to be always making, to be part of the people that gonna make the statement that will criticize America and Israel, of which she has openly supported. What do you think can be some of the reasons or the major reasons behind her being removed from the chief whip position of which up to this far? And myself, I haven't even read any small paper when I make this video that talk about the reasons why she is removed from the position of a chief whip. Let's hear what you say on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that my account can grow. Thank you.